Back at 5:24, as people around the county shelter in place, nonprofits are being faced with canceling or postponing their biggest fundraisers of the year. Events that bring in tens to hundreds of thousands of dollars, all while they see a steady, if not increased, need for their services. Compassion Corner is quiet. Nonprofits planning fundraisers as far out as June are rescheduling. This past weekend should have looked like this for Camp Out Against Cancer. Instead, Kern County Cancer Fund Executive Director Michelle Avila was in her office picking up supplies to work from home.
I was leaving the office. I was like, oh my goodness, it was such a beautiful day, and this is when the middle of Camp Out would have been.
The event typically brings in about $400,000, money that helps local cancer patients afford treatment they still need, even during a pandemic.
And patients are still being diagnosed now, even though we didn't have Camp Out. Patients are still applying for assistance, and we're still granting assistance as we can right now. It's just a little scary for us.
So organizers work to plan the event instead for November. But in the meantime, teams can't raise money in the same ways. And as everyone tightens their purse strings in anticipation of hard financial times ahead, the organization is faced with doing the same.
As of right now, we haven't made any major decisions as far as cutting back as far as what goes to the patients. Operationally, we have cut back to be, bare bones.
Amy Travis, Executive Director of Court-Appointed Special Advocates of Kern, logs on from home for our interview. This is how most of their advocates are meeting with their assigned foster children right now, via internet or phone. Those advocates are the eyes and ears of the court system in determining safety and needs of foster children.
We've triaged our cases to where if there's a child that needs a in-home visit, we take extra precautionary steps to make sure that visit still takes place. However, for those kids that can, stay in communication via this way, Zoom, via phone call, then we're moving to that method.
Visits are canceled, as is CASA's biggest fundraiser of the year, the Boot Scootin' Derby Party. It was expected to bring in about $166,000, money used to train and support CASAs. There are 34 kids on the waiting list for advocates right now.
It puts us in a very difficult position because we canceled our fall event to try and scale back on fundraisers. And so we've really put all of our eggs into this one annual large fundraiser, and to have to cancel, it was very difficult.
Donations have slowed over at the Bakersfield Homeless Center, both for safety reasons and because surplus supplies from stores aren't there. They've all been bought.
We are ordering what we can online from vendors that we've never used before.
This as they try to grapple with social distancing.
Every family struggles with social distancing in their own home. Our family size is about 200 people.
But residents see a silver lining.
We're getting tighter. I mean, to be honest with you, we're looking after one another. More smiles, more of this and that. It's just coming together.
And now that coming together in person isn't recommended, it's more important than ever that we not lose that spirit of the Golden Empire.
Our society has kind of shut down and closed off. We're protecting ourselves. We're protecting our own. I would just challenge our community, don't protect your heart. Right? There are people out there that need care. And we're going to keep going no matter what because those folks need to be cared for.
For most local nonprofits, the easiest way to help right now is by donating online. The Kern Community Foundation is taking donations as well for its COVID-19 Relief Fund. It will provide grants to local nonprofits, and you can find a link on our website, kget.com. Just search Kern Community Foundation.